In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use RandaGrid. This is a basic scene created by the add-on. I'll share the download location in the description below. This is a very complex mesh, but it can be created in seconds. We can use this mesh to create great-looking abstract art, or as a cool background mesh on logo projects. I have used this sphere to block all external lights. RandaGrid can only be activated from the side menu like this. And that's how easy it is to use the add-on. I'll show you what each setting does, and it's pretty much self-explanatory. If we turn off the Make Curve setting, RandaGrid will generate a new mesh, not a curve. I'll show you the rest of the setup details. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.